Also, before I forget, I need to actually order some stuff. Well, I need to order a pan. I had a pan, but it is for a one-piece seal, but it's got the dipstick on the driver's side, and the guy who wants it needs it for a two-piece. So I need to call and order one of them.
Hello?
Oh, whoops, I called the wrong person. I was trying to call the warehouse to order your pan, and I actually called you.
Don't call me. I don't have a pan. I need one.
Yes. I got your block done. I thought you said you were coming yesterday, but...
Well, you never called me.
Oh, I thought you were just going to come at 5.
You said you'd call me.
Oh.
That's the last I heard.
I'm sorry. Well, I'm going to order your pan, and I'll go pick that up here in just a minute, and everything will be ready.
Okay, I'll be up in a little while.
Alright, sounds good, Paul.
Probably be about an hour.
Alright.
Alright, I'm bringing you another block.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Awesome, more work. His name is directly below the parts warehouse. I accidentally called the guy I'm ordering the part for. That's awesome. Never seems to be anyone there to pick a phone up. Welcome to PBM Merson, home of the... It's not even sending me to the wait thing. That's weird. Just the ringing. Just the ringing. It's raining pretty good here today. What is going on?
Thank you for calling PDM. How may I direct your call?
I'm just trying to order some parts.
All right, so hold on just a minute, please.
Thank you for calling PBM.
I don't know who that was. Never had that happen before.
And World Products. A sales representative will be with.
PBM is a butch. Ourselves up here. We'll be right with you. Sure. Oh, Lordy. See if I can put this on the big speaker. There we go. Hey, this is customer number. I need to get an oil pan for a small block Chevy 2-piece rear end Seo that has the dipstick on the driver's side of the pan. I believe all of the 2-piece come that way, but I just want to make sure.
Yeah, 9005 is the part number. I'm gonna wait on my computer to get there.
Okay.
I've got 4 of them.
Alright, if you can lay one out, I'll go pick it up. Alright, thank you, sir. Bye. Jesus. Like 3 minutes to order an oil pan. 5 minutes. The camera tells me so. Alright. Anyways, getting that, doing some actual work. Alright, today's going pretty good. Working on that Honda head. Of course, I can't stand working on a lot of the foreign stuff. There's always something weird that makes it hard to mount into my machine that I gotta figure out a way to overcome. And this head was no different. So, doing that, getting it apart. It's little bitty parts. Little bitty valve keepers, and they're annoying to keep up with. I've already dropped one, and I haven't found it yet. So, gonna be crawling around the floor for the second day, but it'll be alright. I'll find it eventually. It's got to be over there somewhere on the machine. But Paul came and got his block. I got paid on that. He bought an oil pan off of me. Made a little bit of extra cash today. So, let's see. I think everything I've done has been picked up. It's just get these Honda heads done so I can get on that LT1. The guy just called me about the 440 and asked for an update on it. And I was like, I'm starting on that Monday morning. So I got to get these Honda heads done and definitely get on the LT1 and get it going. I'm probably gonna do the LT1 and that 440 at the same time because I gotta have an update for him because he seems like he's gonna be on my ass. I can't stand people who drop a motor off and like 3 days later it's like, hey, where you at on that? Jesus Christ, man, you're not the only thing I have to work on in the shop. But anyways, I digress. I'm going back to work. Whoosh. So having to stop for just a little bit. I'm gonna go down to the warehouse. I gotta get some new valves. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but maybe if I spin it, this thing is nowhere near to being straight. He's got quite this one here you can kind of see. Can you tell that on camera though? But it's well bent, yeah. See how I got my finger in the center and it's like wobbling around. Oh, anyways, 3 of the valves are toast. They definitely, he told me his timing jumped and that he probably hit some valves. It happened to be 3 of them. 3 of them are done. So anyways, I'm gonna go get some new valves for this, and it's already 4:30. It's my wife's birthday. I'm probably gonna run in there, get these parts, go ahead and head home. She's sick, actually, on her birthday too. She started getting sick yesterday, went to urgent care. They told her she has the flu. Awesome. So we were supposed to be going downtown and partying it up tonight, but we're not doing that. So I'm gonna go we've got so many gift cards for Christmas. I think we got like $65 or something like that worth of gift cards for like Carrabba's, Outback, Olive Garden, like that whole shebang of restaurants, whatever. And she's wanting Olive Garden, ugh, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go get like a smorgasbord of Olive Garden for her and bring it home so she can enjoy it on her birthday. So hopefully she'll be able to keep it down. I don't know. But either way, I'm gonna go down to the warehouse, pick up these valves, and I will see you guys maybe tomorrow, if not Monday. Whoosh. Another vlog has come to an end, which means it's time to smash this like button right here, click on the share button over here, share this vlog with anybody you think might find it interesting, comment down below, let me know what you thought about the vlog. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, that way there you'll get the notifications, and we will talk with you later. Whoosh.